Aruba or Curaçao? Which island is the best value for your money? It can be hard to choose. Both islands have incredible charm. I understand because our family faced the same dilemma. And with no clear favorite, we decided why not visit both? So in today's video, we'll highlight the 12 most important differences we discovered to help you decide what will be your perfect destination. Aruba is a smaller, densely populated island of about 69 square miles, which makes it easier to navigate, often making car rentals less necessary. Its population is around 106,000 people. Curaçao is larger, and its attractions are more dispersed across its 171 square miles. It has about 150,000 residents. So renting a car is more advisable to explore distant beaches and attractions. On both islands, we encountered incredibly friendly and helpful locals who were very cheerful and made us feel like home. We found a slight difference in the languages spoken. In Aruba, while Dutch and Papiamento are official, English was widely spoken and we used Spanish almost everywhere. I felt more as if I was on an English or Spanish-speaking island, and it made our daily exchanges easier. We heard a little Papiamento and some Chinese in the small markets, but we didn't hear any Dutch being spoken. In Curaçao, Dutch and Papiamento are also official. However, there's more European tourists for a more European feel and more chances to hear Dutch or Papiamento spoken during your stay. In Aruba, tourism is highly developed with a focus on luxury accommodations and family-friendly activities. Aruba attracts a high number of American and Canadian tourists, reflected in the services and amenities targeted at North Americans. Curaçao has a more European crowd with many visitors from the Netherlands. It provides a more authentic island experience with a focus on heritage and a local lifestyle, which influences the languages and cultural experiences that are offered. Aruba has more direct flights from North America, making it slightly more accessible for American tourists, while Curaçao has fewer direct flight options from the US. Aruba is generally drier with less rainfall throughout the year, making it more predictable for sun-seeking vacationers. Curaçao receives slightly more rainfall, which can lead to greener landscapes. It also means more mosquitoes. It's crazy how many bites we got in Curaçao, while in Aruba, not even one. It's good to know Aruba and Curaçao are both located outside the hurricane belt, which means they are less likely to be affected by hurricanes. This makes them ideal vacation destinations nearly year-round. Each island offers a unique sunset experience that can be the perfect end to your day, and both are known for vibrant sunsets. The best choice depends on your personal preference for scenery and atmosphere. We loved both, but the sunset at Manjel Halto in Aruba really amazed me. We don't need no more. The beaches are amazing, both in Curaçao and Aruba. The difference between both islands is Aruba has wide, white, sandy beaches. It has calm waters like at Eagle Beach and Palm Beach. No limit to what we can do. Curaçao is famous for smaller, more secluded beaches and coves, ideal for snorkeling and diving. Aruba's beaches are also windier, while Curaçao's are more protected from the wind. Crazy, but things are finally right. Another notable difference is all beaches in Aruba are free. The only paid beaches are islands. Renaissance Island with its world-famous flamingos and the Palm Island, which we'll talk about a little further in this video. You can also check out our main Aruba video, which has even more detailed information. But in Curaçao, we did encounter some free beaches, but others we had to pay a small amount. For example, Mambo Beach with an entrance fee of around $3 per person, and at Casabao Beach, which was $6 US per car on regular days, $7 US on Sundays and holidays, and this fee covered 4 people, and it's $1.40 for each additional person. In Aruba, you're likely to encounter free-roaming donkeys, sunning iguanas, and nesting sea turtles. Curaçao offers a chance to see wild pigs, iguanas, nesting sea turtles, and flamingos in the salt pans. Notable landmarks in Aruba are Fort Zoutman, the oldest structure on the island, the California Lighthouse. It offers panoramic views and it's a super popular spot for photos at sunset. Alto Vista Chapel is one of Aruba's most serene spots, painted in bright yellows. It's on a hill with beautiful views of the sea and the countryside. The Red Anchor is also a great landmark in the southern tip of Aruba, and it's painted in vibrant red in front of majestic ocean views. It's a favorite amongst visitors. Curaçao's whole capital city, Willemstad, is a UNESCO recognized site. There's the Queen Emma Bridge, also known as the Swinging Old Lady. It's a pontoon bridge that connects the Punda and Otrobanda quarters of Willemstad. It swings open multiple times a day to allow ships to pass. It's unique and spectacular. Queen Juliana Bridge is the tallest in the Caribbean and offers stunning views of Willemstad. There's also the Fort Beaconberg, which was built in 1703. It offers visitors a chance to explore its historic grounds, to climb it, and enjoy views from its tower. Aruba has a flat terrain with some volcanic rock formations. The most notable mountain is Mount Hooiberg, which you can climb for amazing 360-degree views of the island.
Don't forget to show some love by liking and sharing this video with other travelers. You can also leave a comment, we always respond.
Curaçao has a more diverse terrain with hills and a mountain known as Mount Christoffel, and it has a lusher environment. Aruba is known for shipwreck diving, with famous wrecks like the Antilla. You can also snorkel in a natural pool called Conchi. And Baby Beach and Manjel Halto are also good snorkeling spots. Curaçao has a diverse marine life and is famous for its coral reefs, clearer waters for snorkeling, and you can dive in many spots such as Klein Curaçao, Tugboat Beach, even from the shore, the Superior Producer, and you can discover the amazing Blue Room Cave. Link for this adventure will be in the description below. Both islands offer swimming with turtles. In Aruba, we went too late in the afternoon at Tres Trapi, but in Curaçao, we were happy to have this amazing experience at Playa Pescado. In Aruba, cliff jumping is limited due to its mostly flat terrain, but locations like Boca Prince and Dos Playa and Arikok National Park offer safe yet fun jumps from modest heights. We also love to jump in the cave pool. It was an activity that was fun and even the kids were able to participate. Curaçao has a more varied topography and offers higher cliffs such as Playa Forti and Gros Technique. Aruba has a vibrant nightlife with many casinos, clubs, and beach bars, the main spot being the Hotel Strip in Palm Beach. In Curaçao, nightlife tends to be more laid back and locally flavored, though there's some lively spots such as Mambo Beach and Peter Mai District. In Aruba, the architecture tends to be more modern, mixed with typical Caribbean styles. And Curaçao has a colorful Dutch style, especially in the UNESCO protected city center of Willemstad. Both Curaçao and Aruba offer the chance to take a memorable day trip to a nearby small island, explore pristine beaches, and enjoy many water activities. For example, as previously mentioned, Aruba offers trips to Renaissance Island, which is famous for its flamingos and luxurious amenities, and the Palm Island with an all-inclusive package including food, drinks, activities like snorkeling, water slides, and banana boat rides. In Curaçao, you can visit Klein Curaçao, known for its pristine white sand and crystal waters, and it's ideal for snorkeling and diving, and has a beautiful pink lighthouse and some shipwrecks you can visit. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful to decide where your next vacation will be. If not, why choose just one? How about island hopping? There's pretty affordable flights between the islands, and many airlines offer direct flights of about 35 minutes like DVDV Air, Jet Air Caribbean, and Winair. If you would like more detailed tips on both islands, make sure to check out our main videos on Curaçao and Aruba containing tons of practical tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy travels!